llegamos. Vamos a tomar, ya está listo el carro. Vamos a tomar fotos con el edificio atrás. ¡Tarán! Tengo juguete nuevo. Me siento como Blanca en Navidad. ¿Saben qué ordené? Ordené arneses nuevos para mi cámara. Uy, vean esto. Este es un strap o un arnés para 2 cámaras. Me encanta la presentación. Me encanta que los productos que yo compro tengan una presentación súper limpia. La imagen. Vean esto. Por fin mi strap nuevo, mi arnés nuevo llegó. Tiene mi logo. Blanca Durán. Este es para una cámara. Wow, ya la quiero usar. Me encanta. La encargué en Cámara Arnés. Cámara Arnés. Cámara Arnés están en España. Vean esto. ¿Esto qué es? Para colgarme mis baterías. No sabía que iba a traer esto. Me encanta. Voy a traer aquí un billete de $100. No. Es de Cámara Arnés. Súper, súper padre. ¿Y qué es esto? Qué padre el paquete. La presentación me encanta. Oh, es una crema para limpiar el arnés. Ay, y huele rica. ¿Qué les parece? Mi logo. I like it. Me gusta. Ay, huele a piel. Lista para las fotos. ¡Vámonos! ¡Woo! Y estrenando mi arnés, voy a hacer una sesión de fotos aquí en el distrito viejo de Houston. Le llamamos el Old District. Voy a utilizar 3 flashes Canon 600 EXRT en esclavo, master, esclavo, esclavo. ¿Ok? Slave, slave, slave. Ahí te va el flashazo. Chequen, díganme si flashea. Si flashea, es que está comunicándose todos bien. 1, 2, 3. Ahí está. Ok. Perfecto. Ahora lo ponemos en manual. Lo voy a usar en manual. Y les voy a enseñar algo que hago. Les voy a poner en canales diferentes. Estos 2 en A y este en B. ¿Por qué en diferentes canales? Porque voy a utilizar poderes diferentes, tal vez. Si quiero utilizar poderes diferentes, los pongo en diferentes canales. Y así puedo controlarlos individualmente. Ok, vamos, vamos. Let's go, guys. Tengo 2 canales. El A es mi flash del lado derecho. El flash A tengo 2, así que lo voy a poner en menos poder. Ok. Okay. I'm gonna wait till that cloud covers the sun. Okay. Voy a esperar a que esa nube tape el sol. Ya casi. You're standing straight right now. So what I want you to do is to push your hips toward the wall. And then your chest is always closer to the camera. So you're gonna do this towards the camera, sliding. Stretch your neck, chin down. And both of you are gonna be bending slightly, like if you were falling on me like this. So I can fix your perspective because I'm in a lower angle. I'll be doing kind of like, something like, no? Something like very, there you go, yeah, and exaggerate. Your chest closer to the camera. There you go, 1, 2, 3. Ok, voy a tenerlos aquí, voy a tenerlos atrás de ellos. I can't. So this needs to be here. You two talking and smiling. Can you lean a little more towards me? Les digo que se inclinen más hacia mí. A little more. That was in Spanish. That wasn't for you. And lean towards me, lean, 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 falling on me. I need more of your tiptoe. You can tickle her with the other hand so she can laugh. That's beautiful. So a little lower and do this. Okay, kick, 1, 2, 3. And I need you close, actually kissing her forehead. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna do the last ones there. I'm gonna go up, maybe like. Okay. Both can look at me, both can look at me. Try to get closer at her, almost rubbing her lips. 1, 2, 3. And I do that while walking, if you can. As you're walking, you're gonna do that lean and smiling. As you're walking. Look at her, and you look at it that way. Voy a hacer acercamiento. Oh my goodness. Andrea, can you do this? Like, this is very magazine style, okay? Like, there you go. Okay, give me that laugh like magazine. 1, 2, 3. Stretch your neck. Play with your hair. Do your hair a little higher. 1, 2, 3. I want to see your mouth open. So do what I ask. Just follow my instructions. So push your hips closer, like almost touching the door. Andrea. Pushing. And lean. And chest closer to me. and that way. Very. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So don't try to use this as support. Just have to hold it there, like floating, possibly floating. Very soft. Okay, look that way, like that, like that. Okay, and lean more. I need you to see that you're actually leaning more. Perfect. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Both look. You can both look at me. And this time you're gonna be facing that way, Richard, and you're gonna be looking at him and smiling. Both of you like laughing, actually, not smiling. Laugh. There you go. Okay, let's try one more time. But instead of facing more in an angle, I want to see more your face. And you keep looking at him laughing. Both of you, give me a very big laugh. Oh, I like that. Okay. One more time, this, but Andrea, more your face this way so I can see you. There you go. 1, 2. No, you're looking at me. 1, 2. Don't be looking at me, just you, yeah. There you go, lean this way, as you're kissing and whatever. And close your eyes, both of you close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Lo que se me acaba de ocurrir es tomarlo a él entero y a ella sola las piernas. ¿Ok? Vamos a ver cómo sale. Aquí así super drama. Okay, hold on, let me figure this out. Déjenme ver. Ya sé lo que quiero. De la hit to confront. And Andrea, since I'm just getting your legs, you need to exaggerate. More tiptoes. A little higher. Yeah. Okay. And your arm, have it on your hips. There you go. And now, it's very important, the expression. Relax, breathe, squint your eyes, yeah. Okay. I need this last one of you leaning on the car. Hips away from me, chest closer to me. Chest closer to me. There you go. Can you get a little closer with her? Like if you're hugging, hug her closer. There you go, okay. So here. There you go, now lean on his head. What if you tell her something on the ear? I wanted to make her laugh. That's cute. And there, I think there you can reach her forehead and give her a kiss. Now close your eyes. And Richard, turn your face towards her. Like almost with your nose touching her cheek. And it's gonna hurt a lot. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to go to the other location?
Yeah.
Okay, estamos en la última locación. Estoy poniendo mi flash a zoom porque solo quiero que me le dé por detrás como de separación. Y si lo dejo abierto me va a contaminar toda la escena. Se me va a ir como que... Ok, and ready. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let me do a closer one. Ok, los voy a tener girando con siluetas. El flash, apagué mi flash de frente y dejé prendido el de atrás. Ok, now can you, there, just hold the hand. Ok, and 1, 2, 3. Tres horas tomando fotos. Terminamos. Y mi strap, súper cómodo. Vámonos. Vámonos. Bye.